So from the last video, we taught you how to make slime.
We did.
And now we're teaching you how to make stress balls.
So there are 2 ways that you can make stress balls. You can either make it with the slime that you've just made.
And put it inside of a balloon.
Yeah.
Or you can use Play-Doh and put inside a balloon. Okay. Let's try both and see which one we prefer.
I love it.
Okay.
That's a great idea. So how much slime should we put in? Should we start with a little bit?
Yeah, let's
So you need 2 people to do this really because it's quite
How
fiddly.
about we just put little bits in at a time?
That is a great
So
idea.
we get
So
it
I'm going to
all in.
stretch open the balloon
So
and
we
William's
can
going to
put
squeeze little bits in.
This could be very hard. So just turn it into little flat bits. So
again, this is really good for your fingers because you're pinching and squeezing. So it's quite a nice activity. There we go. Okay.
Okay. Now just knot the top so it doesn't fall out.
That's it. So you're going to pull. You're going to knot it. You can get a grown-up to do this for you.
Because knots aren't super easy with a balloon.
And then how does it feel?
It feels great. Very smooth. Now, let's use the Play-Doh.
Should we compare it with the Play-Doh? And you can, I mean, that's a little one, but you can obviously, it's probably quite a lot. You can
How
fill.
about, to see if which one we prefer, we'll both be blindfolded and use each one. Because
and see what the difference is.
Yeah.
I like that. That's a good idea. So you can make a game out of it as well.
Yeah. It's like, guess what's inside the balloon. That would actually make a great game.
I think it would.
Yeah.
So what else could we put inside a balloon? So you've got Play-Doh,
water,
we've got slime, water
honey.
would work. Oh, honey!
Maple
Honey's
syrup,
a good idea.
maybe. Maple syrup and honey might work.
You could do sand.
We're not gonna throw your maple syrup and honey right now. Right now, it's
you could use sand, maybe, would be quite a good one. Sand might feel quite nice.
Yeah.
Right, do we think?
That's definitely enough.
Is that enough? Okay.
I'm gonna go get my blindfold.
Okay, go.
After this.
Okay. Oh, I'm just going to tie the knot.
Even adults can't do knots.
It's tricky. There we go. Okay, and so we've got that one. Ooh.
Oh,
do you want to have a feel?
Oh, wow. That's kind of... I was thinking it might be hard to tell, but...
You think they're quite different?
They're quite different. Okay. I
when would you
think I prefer this one.
You prefer the slime. I think I prefer the Play-Doh. And William, when would we need to use a stress ball?
When we're angry, probably.
When we're angry. That's a good idea.
But
so we could get our anger out on this.
Works just as good for stress.
I think so. I think you're right. So there we go. So you've got two different ideas for stress balls and slime.
And a game.
And a game using blindfolds. See what else you can think of to put inside a balloon. Yeah. You could do sand, you could do honey, you could do maple syrup, you could do couscous, you could do rice, all sorts of things.
And tell us what you try out in
that's a great idea.
Section below.
In the comment section, tell us what you've tried. That's a great idea.
So maybe we can try it and put it on another video.
That's a great idea. Well, we'll see you soon. We'll make another one. Bye.